Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I am making a very different and delicious recipe and very new recipe. So let's start. First I will take few slices of bread. You can use leftover breads from recipes. I will add 8 slices of bread to the bowl, and then I will add 1 kg of milk, fresh milk. And 2 tablespoons of yogurt. It will give a very different taste to our halwa or sweet. Very unique and different recipe, and you will like it very much. I will mix all the ingredients with spoon. And now I will take sugar, half cup of sugar and few cardamoms, half cup of cooking oil. First I will add cardamoms. When it smells good, then I will add sugar and caramelize it in oil. Look, our sugar is melted and caramelized. When it comes in brown color, then I will add bread ingredient into the sugar. And we'll mix and fry. It is very easy recipe and will ready in few minutes. I will fry the bread ingredients into oil until the oil come out and left the pan. Our dish is ready now. It is nearly done. The oil comes out from it. I will now dish out the halwa and will decorate with dry fruits. I hope you will enjoy this halwa and will make in Ramadan. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.